JVM, just view me with another episode. Let's go.
Hey to my beautiful fans, it's JVM here again, and today my DIY. I'll be working on this 2019 Ram Classic 1500. So I'm just installing some toe mirror. This is my baby right here. So here's the work. This is what's gonna go on. So as you guys can see, I go ahead and I release the buttons. Then I release a couple screws from right here, and there's a couple more around here. I'm gonna release that. I go ahead and I pull out all the screws. It's just time to pop this channel off, and this is how this come off, all in one piece. So just gonna set it aside. You're gonna have all of this stuff right here. So this is the module, and I'm gonna show you which wire you need to pop out. So this wire right here, that's the guy right here. This is the one that controls the mirror. I'm gonna just release this clip. Just wanna pry up on this, release. Then I'm gonna release this and then pull this one off because I'm gonna need it back. Install the next one. So you notice I'm using a pry tool to just pry all of these things out. And there's a mirror right here. So you have to that new mirror install these 3 bolts. There are 1, 2, and 3 right here. And then I have to feed that wire out. So I'm gonna grab the passenger side mirror. So now I release all the bolts that hold the mirrors. The passenger side mirror, that's what I'm working on first. So now I'm releasing the last bolt. Right here I go ahead and release 2. So it's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 again. So after I release that, you need 2 persons to do this job. I'm gonna get her to hold it, so she's gonna video me from the window. So go ahead. Hold it.
You what?
See it? She have it in her hand. That one is released. I would get you on the next step. We'll do installing the next one. It's time to go ahead and install the passenger side foldable mirror. And I have me and my girlfriend partner in crime working. So first thing, you go ahead, push the wire in, and then you're gonna line this up with all those bolt holes, and then you're gonna hold on the outside right here, and she's gonna catch the screws on the inside.
Hold on,
So I'm gonna catch this one right here, and then I'm gonna catch the next one on the corner right here. So if something is bearing the weight, these things are heavy. So then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in and tighten them.
They're nice, babe.
Hmm?
They're nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Those are new too. A new truck.
Now you done tighten these bolts up. So just to get this thing on there. So now I install back the wires for the mirror. The mirror is on the truck. So now it's time to go ahead and put back on your door covering, side covering for your door. And remember people, I just installed the passenger side mirror. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the door panel. Pretty simple. Just ensure that all your screws line up. they're all lined up, so now it's time to pat back everything in place, my side coverings and everything in place. So this is for my door handle. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat back this bad boy in place. That's in place right there. So it's just time to pat the screw in, and then I'm gonna pop this one in as well. But I have all the screws inside here, so I'm gonna pop in back the window controls button in a minute after I use all of this screw, because I use this as a pocket for keeping all my screws. So I will catch you on the next one. So now I'm working on the driver's side because the passenger side is all done. So now I go ahead and I pull this off. I pop all the screws because I showed you guys already how to pop all the screws. Sorry about the motorcycle is going by. I'm living on a busy street, but other than that, I pop everything. I take the door module out. So now it's just time to release the door panel. Lift up and then all the way up and this other side. This one is for the mirror. So you release that, you pop that out of the way. And you have that in place. So you just pry on the clip and then pull straight. So you pry on the clip with your pry tool. And then so release like that. Same thing right here. So then you're gonna need these to install a new mirror. So you're gonna search for your taping right here. And then you take that off, and then I'm gonna show you in the next step to take the mirror off. Get the mirror installed. So now it's time to go and install by the side panel, the driver's side. See, everything is lined up, everything is back into place. So now it's just time to switch on my wire. Clip. So I'm going to put in back my desk, the control for the mirror. I'm going to insert the control. And then I'm going to plug that back into place. And then I'm gonna install back the side cover over the handle. So you just hold it this way, pull the handle out, and then push it back underneath, and then push in. So you have to get the clips lined up. Push until you get snap. Then I'm gonna stop these pieces on, so you wanna get this lined up. Line up the clips. Just one push, it's all set back into place. Then I'm gonna grab the screws, and then I'm gonna put the screws in place and check it out. The mirror is fully installed, and you know, it's been a pleasure. And it's on my 2019, it's work. Dodge Ram 1500 classic model. And that's about it, people. Thanks for watching. JVM here again. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks and enjoy your day.